The Ford Motor Company was established at a time when cars were expensive and unreliable. However, the Model T solved many of these problems and was inexpensive. The assembly lines improved the efficiency of constructing automobiles. The effect of new designs and production methods increased the popularity of the automobile. The Ford Motor Company greatly improved the advancement of early automobiles. Henry Ford, an American engineer, backed by 11 investors, organized the Ford Motor Company in 1903. During this time period, cars were expensive and unreliable. The company converted a wagon factory into an automobile production plant on Mack Avenue in Detroit. In July of 1903, the company started producing Model Ns. Within 1 year, 1,700 Model Ns were produced. The Ford Motor Company production line proved successful. However, marketing was limited to the wealthy. Henry Ford wanted an affordable yet reliable design. He needed to reinvent the automobile. The call for an affordable yet reliable car was answered with the Model T. The Model T was a standard simple car. Henry Ford once said, "It will be constructed of the best materials by the best men hired, after the simplest designs that modern engineering can devise. But it will be so low in price that no man making a good salary will be unable to own one." The car was also made with interchangeable parts and came in one color, black. Henry Ford stated, "Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants it so long as it is black." Despite all of these advancements, the Model T production could not keep up with the growing demand. The Ford Motor Company started filling its demand with the all-new assembly line. The assembly line was created by an American automobile pioneer, Ransom Olds, and introduced by Henry Ford. In 1913, the Ford Motor Company opened 2 new plants using the assembly method in Manchester, England, and Highland Parks, Michigan. The assembly process cut production time of the Model T from 12 hours to 93 minutes. The cost also dropped from $950 to $290 per car. Today, the assembly method is used worldwide to mass produce products. New assembly methods greatly improved the automobile's popularity and the Ford Motor Company's success. However, assembly lines created one-task jobs to replace skilled machinists. As compensation, the company increased its average pay from $2.34 a day to $5 a day. The company also reduced its workday from 9 hours to 8 hours a day. Now the plants could run 24 hours a day with 3 consecutive shifts, increasing productivity. Most importantly, assembly methods allowed Ford to expand globally. In 1929, the Ford Motor Company had assembly plants on every continent except for Antarctica. The Ford Motor Company originated from a time when automobiles were considered unpractical toys. Despite this image of cars, advancements such as the Model T and the new assembly methods helped make cars become what they are today. Today, millions of cars are on the road, still using some of these same technologies, and the assembly line is used all around the world. The Ford Motor Company greatly contributed to the advancement of automobiles in our world.